This is a 3D printed robotic arm. I'll show you one method of controlling it. First, activate the recording mode. It allows the arm to be moved by hand. Then position the arm step by step, and after each pose, press enter to save the current angles. Once the recording is finished, switch to playback mode. The arm powers back on, and the script reads the saved positions. The servos move synchronously, adjusting their speeds so all joints reach their targets at the same time.